3 gold and 1 silver.
नाही कर रांगा पाय ठेवली
Next we have myself, Ansky D'Souza, scoring 3 gold medals. We next have Afifa Molla, scoring 2 gold medals. We next have Sejal Pasekar, scoring 2 gold medals. Next, we now have Sanchi Chavan, scoring 1 gold medal and 2 silver medals.
बच्चे मस्ती कर रहे हो बहुत।
gold medal and 1 bronze medal. Now we have Atifa Mullah scoring 1 gold medal and 1 bronze medal.
सर
We now have Zoya Dori scoring 1 gold medal. Now we have Pranjal Kamble scoring 1 gold medal.
सर सर Actually,
We now have Rashi Kamble who have scored 2 silver medals. Last but not least, we have Inaya Mullah who has scored 1 silver medal.
Sejal, first Sejal, now I'm judge and referee, Sejal particular, eventually, then Mukul Petrolia. No need. Just follow up. Okay. First, we are going to take the Sejal particular, judge and referee. Now, yeah.
Now I'll be announcing the judge and referees. First we'll have Sejal Palsekar.
Next.
Next we'll have Sagar Naik. Lastly, we'll have Masood. Now, I'd also like to call out Mandar, who has helped us a lot behind the scenes.
Good evening, children. Good evening. So, Hussain Mullah and other dignitaries on the high seat. I congratulate all the girls, 11 girls, who have excelled in the kickboxing tournament which was held recently. It's a great achievement. I always say that we females should always keep the fee in a silent. We should be equal to men. So let's call ourselves women. So when we say even women, so let the word man comes over there. So even when we say female, the male word comes over there. So without a woman, the man is nothing in this world. You all accept it? Girls? Girls? Yes or no? Okay. And that's what we have shown. Our 11 girls have shown today by excelling in gold medals. I know you all can do much better than this. And surely you all will do that. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So I expect a lot from you all. This is not an end. I want you all to excel in higher scales. I want all gold medals. Yes or no? Yes. I want all my girls to come in gold medals. Let the next kickboxing tournament, which is going to happen in Madhya Pradesh, Indore, be West Zone, be a fight for our Goa girls from CKB Pro. Yes? Are you all ready for it? Yes. Are you all set to go in the month of December? Yes. Days are very less, right? When are we leaving? On 24th? 23rd. So we are leaving on 23rd. Are you all girls ready for it? Yes. So, under the leadership of Sir Hussain Mullah, our girls are ready and they are all set to go to fight for the best zone in Madhya Pradesh. That's Kickboxing Pro Hello India. I wish all best and good luck to all my girls who are going to be participating in this team from our team. I also congratulate the team captain and the referees and judges for doing a fantabulous job during their kickboxing tournament which was held recently. Once again, congratulations and all the best in your future endeavors. God bless you.
Again, a good evening to all of you. So, as all of you probably already know at this point, my name is Anxie D'Souza and I've been appointed as the captain of the CKB Pro team under the leadership of Sir Hussain Mullah. So recently, again, as you all know, on the 11th of this month, this Thursday, we girls of the CKB team, we got the chance to participate in the Khelo India tournament, and I've got a good news to announce to all of you again, you already all know of it. All of the girls did a fantastic job that day. We have all scored medals and we have been qualified for the West Zone Khelo India tournament, which will be held in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So as we prepare for this match, for this tournament, I ask all of you to keep us in prayers and wish us all the best. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. So first of all, thank you for your belief in me, and I'm quite at a loss for words because I was not expecting all of this, and it really took me aback. So Hussein for believing in me, and for all my other friends over here. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Managing committee members of the CJB and the students. I'm Mehmood Sheikh, General Secretary of CJB, and it is a proud moment for me to be the General Secretary of this academy. I congratulate all the 11 girls who have participated and won medals and made the CKB proud of you all, not only just in Goa but in entire India. When you represent Goa and India, it is a proud moment for every girl. So once again, congratulations from my heart. Do well, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Sir Hussein Mullah and all the participants and the medalists who have got the medal for Khelo India. And I think it's a great opportunity for CKV. Sagar Nayak, Sejal Parsekar and me, we were the judges and the referees for this Khelo India tournament, and we are very happy and we feel quite privileged to have this position. So, and I think for us it was a very unique experience because of the it was a ladies tournament, so it was quite tough and there were not much fights outside the mat. But I think we have handled it quite well and nicely. Thank you.
So hello guys, I would like to appreciate our girls who have achieved the gold medals in the tournament, and I would also like to say thank you for Hussein Mullah sir for giving me this opportunity, and I will try my best to give the best for our team. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Varun Kamli. I train at CKB Pro under Sir Hussein Mullah, and I would like to thank Sir Hussein Mullah for all the opportunities he's given me, not only me but all of us present here. Thank you.
I myself Shanik Shmanarekar, and I'm from CKB Academy, Martial Arts Academy, and in few months we will represent India in martial arts. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.